Alright, today we are going to change a belt on an SUP series saw. Do not loosen any of these bolts, these adjusters. Do not adjust anything because this is all in perfect alignment. The only tools required will be a screwdriver or pry bar and cutlet resisting gloves. So the process of taking the belt off, if it isn't already fell off. Okay, to take the belt off, I'll take some sort of pry bar or screwdriver here and I'll just kind of walk that belt till I get it to walk off. And now it will just walk off. Now, once we got the belt off, I find that it's easier to put this onto the motor. Then go to the pulley here. Okay, then I go to the pulley there. And I start my grooves here. And with my cut resistant gloves on, I find that grabbing the blade is the easiest way because I have a lot more power on that 24-inch blade. Okay, once I get it on there, I make sure that it's seated in all the grooves and rolling. If it's not, it will try to walk one way or the other, but this is on there seated fully.